Take a look at some of these downspouts. I've talked about the most important drain in the rainwater drainage system, and that is the downspout drain. And you can see how these people have splashed this out, and of course, they are still experiencing problems. Your roof gathers so much water. Here's an example. A 2,000 square foot roof gathers 1,160 gallons of water in a 1-inch rainfall.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains, Drainage Contractors. Today we're going to take a look at a gutter system and the downspout, and we're also going to be taking a look at the underground, the downspout drain, and that's the most important part of this rainwater drainage system.
So let's take a look at a couple of installs so you can see how this pipe is put together, both PVC and corrugated. Remember, the downspout drain is the most important drain in the rainwater drainage system.
Downspout adapter, little riser to a 90, and then we're going to run our pipe out here and put a discharge here, probably a pop-up at the end. Real simple. You've seen me do this 1,000 times, so I'll go ahead and do this.
In this example, we're using 4-inch PVC. It's a thin wall PVC. You don't need Schedule 40. So it's best to dry fit this pipe and then glue it. In other words, cut your pieces, put them together, and then take them apart again and glue them up. And you can see how well this sets up. Pretty easy. Kind of a tight fit there against the wall, but you can make this work. Always dry fit your pipes before you glue them.
Okay, you can see how that's shaped up. We've got downspout adapter. We've got a piece of extension going down to the 90. Got it covered up and still covering. Comes out here to a little grate, which we'll put a screw in. Then I just kind of trenched a little bit around the side to help it drain away from this area.
And here's an example of using corrugated pipe to get that downspout drain away from your foundation.
Okay, over here at the downspout, it's real important that you try to make this corrugated pipe bend and go down. So make sure that it's hook up your downspout adapter. That's your downspout adapter. And then push this pipe hard back up against the foundation. Throw some dirt on it to keep it in place. That way it looks aesthetically correct. You've got a nice straight pipe coming down from the downspout right up against the house.
Here's an example of no downspout adapter. I actually like this better than the adapter.
In making your downspout connections, yes, you could put a downspout adapter on here, but I actually like to leave them off and just bring them up the wall a little ways. That way you can stick a garden hose down here and clean your line. The secret is to get it right back against the wall so it drops straight down. Go ahead and throw some soil on it to hold it in place. Now we can continue the line. You can see it comes out, turns, and it's going to connect to the main line down there.
So from the gutter, we have a petty drop. That's what brings the water from the gutter down into the downspout that hangs on the side of the house. Then we have a couple of A elbows. That's what holds this to the side of the house. Some straps, it comes down and comes into our downspout adapter. If we just let this water splash out at the bottom of the downspout, we have foundation problems. Okay, this is one of my favorite pieces of video. You can see this one does have a downspout drain. And yeah, they hung it on the fence. But you know what? It works great. It may be a tacky eyesore, but it moved that water away from the foundation, and they don't have any problem. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.